Welcome back. Today we're in Dubai International Airport to be exact. We're flying FlyDubai all the way to Colombo, Sri Lanka from Terminal 2. I'm really excited for today's flight. It's been almost 6 years since my last FlyDubai flight, and today I get to try their new business class cabin on their 737 MAX 8. You'll notice flying from Terminal 2 that there are no bridge gates, which means you get a bus gate. And I'm totally fine with that, because you get up close and personal with these massive planes, all parked here on the runway, or taxiway, whatever you call it. Business class and economy passengers ride separately, and today I'm the only passenger flying in business class, which means I get the entire bus to myself and the freedom to geek out while driving past these gigantic birds. Another great thing about riding the bus gates is getting up close and personal with airlines you've never seen before, like this one from Iran, Kashim Air. Welcome to business class on FlyDubai, their new cabin in a 2-2 configuration. In front of you, you'll have this little cutout, which I believe is where your phone sits. Below it, 2 USB ports, a Bluetooth connector, and a gigantic screen in front of you, all touch screen. And right below that is a little cubby. I've got my boarding pass in there and my headphones. Above you, individual air vents and lights. On the side, you've got your pull-out tray table, controls for your seat, a reading light, and the jack for your headphones.
Ladies and gentlemen, if there is a loss of cabin pressure, please remove your face mask and place the oxygen mask over your mouth and nose. Thank you.
We're gearing up for takeoff, and I'll leave you with the sights outside my window. And here's the menu for meal service today on our flight. I went with the chicken. The beverage menu for today's flight, alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. I kick things off with a Bebzi, some chips, and some warm nuts. And here is my meal for today. That dessert is actually chopped up jalebi, if you've ever had that Indian sweet dessert. And I finished things off with a nice cappuccino. The staff here on this flight was amazing, very attentive, very kind. Here's some more bright sunny shots of the cabin. The seat was quite comfortable. It is not a lay flat seat, but wonderful for a short haul flight like this. And we are in Colombo. We are off to our hotel, the Grand Bell. Watch for that video to come soon. Thanks.